Almost no matter what you want to do with programming, learning Java is an excellent investment. In recent years, almost 20% of development projects are made in Java. In this training, we will focus on backend development based on the Spring Boot framework. We will give you practical knowledge that will allow you to apply for junior Spring Boot developer positions or even take on projects as a freelancer. My name is Gábor Imre. I will be your instructor and mentor during the training. I've been involved in server-side Java development for more than 20 years. With over 10,000 hours of development experience, I have participated in the development of about 20 complex systems. During the training, you will create the backend of 3 applications with my continuous support. Of course, only a simplified version of each of them, but with the knowledge acquired here, you can be a useful member of such a team. By the end of the course, you will become familiar with the following topics. We review the basics of server-side development, then the Spring basics including dependency injection with a special focus on the possibilities of Spring Boot. Most of the server-side development is web development, therefore, after reviewing the basic Java web technologies, we mainly deal with the features of the Spring MVC web framework. We will briefly cover server-side rendering using Timeleaf, but the focus will be on REST API development, since most of today's web applications and mobile applications access functions implemented on the server side via REST API. While serving web requests, we have to store, delete, modify and query data. To be able to do this, a lot of systems use relational databases, which is why we review their basics and the SQL language. Then we will go through how object relational mapping with the Java Persistence API makes it easier for us to access relational databases, and how Spring Data simplifies the use of JPA even further. Finally, we will discuss how you can ensure, with the help of Spring Security, that the individual server-side functions can only be accessed by those who are authorized to do so after proper authentication. We will go through the mentioned process together. I will follow your personal development. I am constantly at your disposal. You can ask me questions in writing at any time, and during the live online sessions we will evaluate the tasks you have prepared and discuss the difficulties. The number of participants is limited because I deal with everyone personally during the training. So, if you want to get a job as a Spring Boot developer, or if you just want to expand your development skills, reserve your spot in this course.